How and when to file ISF for drying equipments. Hello and welcome back to our video series on customs brokerage and international trade. Today, we're going to dive into the topic of importer security filing, ISF, and specifically discuss how and when to file ISF for drying equipment imports. ISF plays a crucial role in the customs clearance process and ensuring compliance with U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) regulations. It is mandatory for importers to file an ISF for all ocean shipments coming into the United States. Failure to comply with ISF requirements can lead to costly penalties and delays in clearing your goods. Now, when it comes to filing ISF for drying equipment imports, there are a few important factors to consider. First, you need to determine if your drying equipment is classified as a household goods or non-household goods item. This classification is crucial because it determines the timeline for filing your ISF. If your drying equipment falls under the category of household goods, the ISF must be filed no later than 10 calendar days prior to the vessel's departure from the last foreign port. On the other hand, if your drying equipment is classified as non-household goods, the ISF must be filed 24 hours prior to the vessel's departure. To file the ISF, you will need to gather specific information about your drying equipment and the shipment. This includes details such as the manufacturer or supplier information, the country of origin, the product description, and the name and address of the party responsible for the shipment. Additionally, you will need to provide the container stuffing location and the consolidator's name and address. Once you have collected all the necessary information, you can electronically submit the ISF filing to CBP. This can be done through the Automated Broker Interface, ABI, or by using a licensed customs broker who can handle the filing on your behalf. It's important to note that filing ISF is just one aspect of the customs clearance process for drying equipment imports. You will also need to work with a customs broker to ensure that all necessary customs documentation, such as the commercial invoice, packing list, and bill of lading, are accurately prepared and submitted to CBP. Additionally, you may be required to obtain a customs bond when importing drying equipment. A customs bond serves as a guarantee to CBP that you will comply with all customs laws and regulations, including the payment of duties and taxes. The bond can be obtained through a surety company or a licensed customs broker. In conclusion, filing an importer security filing, ISF, is an important step in the customs clearance process for drying equipment imports. By understanding the classification of your equipment as household or non-household goods, gathering the necessary information, and submitting the ISF in a timely manner, you can ensure smooth customs clearance and avoid penalties. Remember, working with a knowledgeable customs broker is crucial for navigating the complexities of customs regulations. They can assist you in accurately filing the ISF, obtaining a customs bond if necessary, and handling all other aspects of the customs clearance process for your drying equipment imports. Thank you for watching. Be sure to stay tuned for our future videos, where we'll continue exploring various topics related to customs brokerage and international trade. Disclaimer note below. See you next time.